Alright, so AMD sent out a box recently and I kind of have an idea of what's inside this package, but I'm also kind of confused because there is new stuff coming out from AMD, but there's still time. So I'm not quite sure what's inside this box. So let's just go ahead and unbox it and find out what AMD has actually sent us. Let's get started. Alright, the boxes are absolutely destroyed in shipping. So this is the Radeon 6800 with an absolutely destroyed box, and this is the Radeon 6800 XT, which happens to be the bigger brother of this card. But again, on 18th of March, there's also going to be a new Radeon 6700 XT, like their latest launch. Now these graphic cards, they've been out in the market for a while. It's been around 2 months or so since they launched, so I'm really excited for the 6700 XT. But in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the 6800 and the 6800 XT for you guys that AMD has sent us. And let's just talk about some of the specifications, and of course you'll get my full review later on with benchmarks and stuff like that. Alright, so here are the two cards, the 6800 and the 6800 XT, and the boxes were destroyed in shipping, so can't blame AMD for that. But let's just get to the smaller card first, the 6800. Again, both these cards will be based on the RDNA 2 architecture with Fidelity FX, 16 gigabytes of VRAM, and this is their reference design. This is like similar to NVIDIA's Founders Edition card. So again, you have the triple fan design, and the card is pretty heavy and it's really well built. Like the materials used, in my opinion, are really nice. So you've got the Radeon logo right here, and this dual tone look with the metal frame right here, and you also have a metallic backplate. And this is how thick the 6800 is. And you also have two 8-pin PCI power connectors on top with traditional I/O. So you've got USB Type-C, 2 display ports, and 1 HDMI. So this is a smaller 6800. Now let's get to the other card. And this one does have like slightly premium packaging. So here it says, "Welcome to the Red Team." That's referring to the AMD branding. And you have this small little insert that says, again, uncompromised 4K gaming, AMD Fidelity experience, as well as 16 gigabytes of RAM. And both of these cards are PCI 4.0 ready. That's like the big highlight feature. So this also has 16 gigabytes of VRAM. And pretty much in terms of looks, it's similar, but this is a bigger, more beefier card, and it is more heavy as well. So here's like a little size comparison. Now lengthwise, they're both like quite similar, but in terms of thickness, the 6800 XT is thicker as well as more heavier. Similar I/O, and this was also based on the RDNA 2 architecture, and same 2 8-pin PCI power connectors. So again, in terms of like just design, build quality, and the looks itself, they're both very similar, just this card is a little bigger. So this was just like a quick unboxing. I don't want to get too technical in this video. This video is like just for fun, for you guys to just check out how these cards look, but I'll definitely be out with with my detailed review of these cards with benchmarks and how they perform in games and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that, subscribe to the channel for that, and if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and like it, as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the full review when it actually does come out. But with that being said, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.